Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vlad here, and in this video I'll teach you how to make hundreds of dollars every single week working from home, just using your laptop, no special skill required. So before we get into the video, please do me a favor, press the like for me, also subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, and if you haven't checked out my $0 bank account challenge, please go right up here or right here and go check it out. It's a cool challenge, I've never done it before. We're figuring out a way how to make money online. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I've prepared some special tip for you that will really put you ahead of the game. All right, let's dive right into this. Number one step that you need to do, you go on a Craigslist, and yes, go right here on the Craigslist. Then you pick the free section right over here, free. In the free section, what you can do, you can pick the items and you can open them up, download the pictures. Let's say you go the desktop, free flip. I already have a bunch of them because I've been doing this for a little bit, and you save the second one. Perfect. So the cool trick about this is you have to be fast because there are many people just like you or somebody else who really wants this free item, and they text and call and email the owner right away so they can come and pick it up. It's free stuff, it's free money. So what you have to do, you have to be the first one to contact the owner and set up the appointment 2 or 1 day away, so you can have enough time to sell it on Facebook Marketplace or somewhere else. All right, so we passed step number 1. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Facebook Marketplace. All right, let's go to Facebook Marketplace. There you go, I went to my account. And now, of course, no, we don't want notifications. So here's my account. I'm selling a bunch of items, and there are a lot of people, as you can see, inquiring about them every single day. So what you do, you hit the sell something button, and you go items for sale. So when they're asking what you're selling, you put the headline from the free webpage, from the free coffee table. Why do you need to do this? The reason is very simple. You need to be able to track your items. So if the item is getting lost and somebody really wants it and you already lost the link, you can just search by the keywords. You put the price, let's just say you put $25, even though you could sell it for probably more than that, but I'll just put $25 just to show you. This is one. There you go, we added a photo. We also added the price. Let's go and we pick furniture. I would recommend doing the furniture because it's a very, people move all the time. They move in, they move out, they need furniture, they give out furniture, they're buying new furniture. So this is a good market that you will always have products to sell every single day. So after you're done with this, just click next and go press publish. There you go. You have your couch listed. This is it. This is very simple. So now you gotta stick around for the very tricky part because it's not as simple as it seems. So here's the thing, because those items are free, everybody really wants them, right? And in order for you to be able to sell them, you need to be the first one who actually gets it for free. You need to be able to find the freshest posting so you can contact the owner right away and set up the meeting so you can have some time in order to sell it. So what you do, let's just say this was posted just 17 minutes ago. Here's the color text. This is the phone number. And you go ahead and you text this person, can I pick this up tomorrow at 5 p.m. And you have some time until tomorrow to sell this couch. Or if you want to, you can try to put 2 or 3 days, like, hey, can I pick it up after Christmas? Just give yourself some time margin in order for you to find a buyer, because if you sell in a couch, it will take, for most people, it will take some extra work to go and pick it up. Not everybody has a big truck where they can load this couch. So what most people do, they arrange everything for like 2-3 days. They hire professionals, they hire the truck, they rent out the truck, and they go and pick it up. So here's the ninja trick that I use in order for me being able to sit at home and actually make money without even touching the product. If you want to secure it, if you want to have more time, this is a ninja trick, the bonus trick. You can call or text or email the owner like, hey, I know you're giving this away for free, but what I can do for you, I can sell this item and we can split the profits. Give me the time till the end of the week. If I'm not able to sell it, give it away. This is a ninja trick that you can use in order for you to make money. Very important thing, you have to include the location that the owner is selling it from, because you don't want people emailing you or texting you from San Francisco when this item is actually in Mountain View, so they're not able to pick it up. So in this game, in order for you to be ahead of the game, you can do a couple things. You can do either one, you be the first one to message the owner and actually set up the pickup time so they can give you the address. And number two, you can arrange with the owner that you're gonna sell this item for them and ask them to give you time till the end of the week. This way you will have more time and you will much more likely to sell this item, and all you do is just collect the difference and give some percentage to the owner. This is more safe, you will make less money, but you will make more sales. It could be justified. For the first hour, what you're doing for the first hour, you setting up the scene. So you're looking for the new products, you're arranging the pickups with the homeowners or like with the owners of these items, and then you post it on the Facebook Marketplace. As people start to texting you, as people start to inquiring about your item that you're selling, like is it available, what are the dimensions, and you can see most people actually include it into their description. So you can actually communicate to them, and if it works for them, you arrange the time with the owner and you also arrange the time with the buyer. They come together, they pick up the free item and they send you money through Facebook, through whatever payment method you guys are going to be talking about. All right, so here's the strategy. Very simple to do. It only takes you a couple hours a day to actually set this up. As you get more comfortable, it will be much faster, and you will make more and more money. You can actually do it, rinse and repeat all the time, as many times as you want. One cool tip that I can actually give you: create a separate email address that you can actually manage the relationship. And once you sold some items, you didn't sell some other items, you gotta clean it up and start over again, so you can actually manage 50 or 60 items that you're selling at the same time. And in the ideal world, you can actually make it full-time if you really want to put your mind to it. All right, this is it for this one. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please make sure you press the like for me. Also subscribe to the channel, and feel free to comment what you're thinking about this method down below in the comment section. And also make sure you ask me questions and share your opinions. I hope you liked everything. This is Vlad. Until the next time.